Welcome to all. In this video, we will discuss some MCQ based on application of partial differentiation, that is maxima and minima. The question is, what is the maximum point of a function x cube y square in bracket 1 minus x minus y? Is the option is 2 by 3, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Now to find a maximum value, that is for the maximum point for any function, we require the following conditions. The conditions are, the value of r has to be negative and rt minus s square has to be positive, whereas r is nothing but your dabba square f by dabba x square, your s is nothing but dabba square f upon dabba x dabba y, and t is nothing but your dabba square f by dabba y square. So these are the required thing. For this particular case, the value of r is 6xy square minus 12x square y square minus 6xy cube. So we are differentiating this with respect to x, twice we get this value. S is nothing but 6x square y minus 8x cube y minus 9x square y square. So this is nothing but s, differentiating this with respect to y and then with respect to x, we get this value. And the last is nothing but t value. T is equal to 2x cube minus 2x raised to 4 minus 6x cube y. Now once we get this value, we need to substitute all these points into r, s, t, and we need to find the value of rt minus s square and r. And by solving this, we get the maximum point is 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3. Means we need to substitute the value x is equal to 1 by 2 into this, y is equal to 1 by 2 into this, and if we get rt minus s square positive and r is negative, that particular point is nothing but our maximum value. So hope you understand this methodology. Let's go for the next question. Find the maximum point of a function 3x square minus y square plus x cube is 0, 0, 2, 0, 2, minus 2, minus 2, 0. So we need to check out of these four which one is the maximum point. So again for that, what we require the value of r, that is r is equal to dabba square f by dabba x square. We require the value of s, that is dabba square f by dabba x dabba y, and we require the value of t, that is dabba square f by dabba y square. Now when we solve this, we get the value of r, that is r is equal to 6 plus 6x, s is equal to 0, and t is equal to minus 2. Now for all these 4 points, for the maximum, we need to check r has to be negative and rt minus s square has to be positive. When we substitute one by one this value, at the point minus 2, 0, we get r is negative and rt minus s square positive. Therefore, the correct answer is this. Hope you understand the methodology. So let's try for the another one. So what is the minimum point of a function x cube plus 3x y square minus 15x square minus 15y square plus 72x is? So these are the options. For that, what we require, again we require the value of r. R is nothing but dabba square f by dabba x square. Then we require the value of s. S is equal to dabba square f by dabba x dabba y, and t is equal to dabba square f by dabba y square. So first of all, we find all these three values of this particular function. Now when we solve this, we get the value of r is equal to 6x minus 30, s is equal to 6y, and t is equal to 6x minus 30. For the minimum value, the condition for rt minus s square is remain same, but r has to be positive. Now for the above 4 point, we need to check these three value, and rt minus s square positive and r is positive, then only we can find the value of minimum point. So when we solve this, at 6, 0, we get rt minus s square positive and r is a positive. Therefore, for this particular point, the particular function, the minimum point is 6, 0. So hope you understand this particular example. Now let's go for the next example. So what will be the minimum point of a function x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square minus 3y square plus 4? Option is 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2 and 2, 2. So for that, again we need to find out r is equal to dabba square f by dabba x square, s is equal to dabba square f by dabba x dabba y, and t is equal to dabba square f by dabba y square. So by differentiating this, we get r is equal to 6x minus 6, s is equal to 6y, and t is equal to 6x minus 6. Now for the minimum point, the requirement is rt minus s square has to be positive and r has to be positive. So when we substitute one by one this point, out of this for 2, 0, this condition gets satisfied, and that 2, 0 is a minimum point for this function. So hope you understand how to check the minimum point for any function. Now let's take one more example based on this. What will be the minimum point of a function x square plus y square plus xy plus x minus 4y plus 5? Again we need to find the value of r. What is the value of r? R is equal to dabba square f by dabba x square, s is equal to dabba square f by dabba x dabba y, and t is equal to dabba square f by dabba y square. Now for this particular example, the value of r is equal to value of r is equal to 2, value of s is equal to 1, and value of t is equal to 2. And if you find rt minus s square, that is always positive, and value of r is also always positive. So as the r, s, t values are the constant values satisfy this condition, so without substituting any all these values, condition gets satisfied. But when we substitute this point into the function, that function has to be satisfied. Means what? For this particular case, we need to substitute 2 by 3 into this. We need to substitute minus 2 by 3 into this function, 3 minus 2 into this function, and 2 by 2. Because for any value this condition gets satisfied. So out of these 4, this minus 2 by 3 satisfy this condition. Means our minimum point is minus 2 by 3. Hope you understand this particular different type of the question, because in this question rt minus s square positive, r is positive for every value of x and y, that is any point, but that point has to be from the question, that from the function. So that we have to check. Now hope you understand this. Now we go for the next type. What is the minimum value of the function x square plus y square plus xy minus x minus 4y plus 5 at 2, 3 is? So indirectly they are given as minus 2 by 3 is a minimum point, and we need to substitute this minus 2 by 3 into this to get the minimum value. Means we need to substitute in place of x minus 2, in place of y 3, and we get the corresponding value. By substituting these two values into this, we get the minimum value, that is minus 2. So minus 2 is our final answer. So this is how you can generate your own MCQ based on your topic. So hope you understand this particular topic. Try to generate at your own the different type of MCQ to get the practice of this particular topic. Thank you for watching this video. Do your best.